Anemang silipan ing major party ning kumpanyang remote employee king reporting.
Remote employee CEO Rafi Galang just dropped a major announcement during their mid-year celebration. RE is expanding to Mega World Capital Town.
So may expansion po kami sa Capital Town. That's in the capital of Pampanga, in San Fernando. We'll be taking over the second floor of the BPO tower dun sa Capital Town. It's going to house around an additional 300 people. So ano siya, expansion, hindi siya complete complete transfer kasi lumalaki kami eh.
Ipinahayag ito ni Galang sa gitna ng kasiyahan sa Arena Level Up Remote Employee Mid-Year Party na ginanap sa Lakeshore Tent, Mexico, Pampanga noong July 4. Sakto sa US Independence Day break, kaya perfect timing ang event para sa company's US-based clients and their Philippine-based talents.
What I really want from my employees is continuous progress, continuous growing, and I'm a gamer. So pag sa video games, di ba, pag nag-level up ka, nag-increase yung skills mo. So that's why we have the RE level up kasi laging nag-increase ng skills yung mga employee namin.
Isa ang remote employee sa pinakamabilis lumaking BPO companies sa Pampanga at pinatunayan nila ito sa isang gabi ng saya, bonding at pasabog na papremyo. May Arena Spotlight Talent Show, Tekken 8 Finals at raffle ng tech goodies tulad ng gaming PC, laptop, iPad, PS5 at marami pang iba. Hindi lang ito basta party, it's RE's way of highlighting their inclusive and vibrant company culture where fun and recognition go hand in hand with growth and innovation. Remote Employee is a Pampanga-based BPO na nagbibigay ng world-class support teams sa US companies gamit ang homegrown talent at training mula sa kanilang sariling RE Academy.
To everyone that's interested in joining Remote Employee, we are always hiring. We are always looking for great talent, and there's a lot of talented Filipinos, talented Kabalens. So visit our site, visit our Facebook, come join the team, and to my current remote employee staff, my current remote employee family, thank you from the bottom of my heart for the hard work that you've done for the first half of the year, and I look forward to more successful years with you guys.
Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force, Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.